Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is red color, the color of red. And the next one is black, the color of black. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is green. And the last one is white color, the color of white. First we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing red color. The next one is a square, the shape of square. Now we are using the color of black. Now we are using black color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black and draw coloring the shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of white. Kids, now we are using the color of white. Subscribe to our channel. Today we draw 2D shapes: star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.